2-0 Baltimore, third inning. 2 outs, nobody on. And this is what the people have come to see. There it is. There it is. If it stays fair, and it is, number 60. How about that? There's a standing ovation. A standing ovation for Roger Maris, who got number 60. And they're calling him out of the dugout. This is most unusual. They are asking him to come out of the dugout. Now this is something. They are standing and asking Roger to come out. Come out, Roger. How about that?
How times have changed. Most unusual, and Mel was correct. It was most unusual then, Tom, for anyone to take a curtain call, even when tying a hallowed record. These days, much different. Guys will take a curtain call for a sacrifice fly.
Yeah, you saw Maris almost have to be pushed out to acknowledge it. It was unusual back in the day, and I think I counted 3 how about that's in that sequence, Bob.